in this quick and easy tutorial I'm going to show you how to transfer files from your mobile phone to your laptop or PC. For this tutorial we'll be using Google Drive, and why we'll be using Google Drive is because we can download it and use it for free, and you have a limited storage in the free version, but you can purchase a subscription at any time to get more storage. Most phones come with it already, but you can download it for free from the App Store if you have an iPhone and from the Play Store if you have an Android. So once inside it, press on the plus button from the bottom right corner and choose upload the file. And if you want to upload photos and videos, choose the first one, or if you want to upload files, PDFs, archives and zip files, choose browse, and inside here try to find the file which you want to transfer to your PC. I will select this PDF which I have and I will press on upload, and I will catch you on the computer to show you what to do from there to download it. Now on the computer, open an internet browser and search for Drive and access this website. You will have to sign in, or also you have this URL drive.google.com, okay? And you'll get into the same place, but I am already signed in. Once you sign in into Google Drive, try to locate the photo, the file, the video or the PDF which you uploaded from your mobile phone, as an example this one, and you will have a download button right here. So this is how to transfer files from your mobile phone to your laptop or PC. Thank you for watching and bye bye.